How to change age restriction on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for screen time. Tap on it. Here, go ahead and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option you see there and make sure that the toggle button for content and privacy restriction is enabled, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for content and privacy restrictions. Further, go ahead and choose the category you want to change, such as iTunes and App Store purchases, and then go ahead and make your required changes and select the age rating or restriction that you prefer. You can then tap on the allowed apps and features option you see there and toggle off the toggle buttons for app that you don't want to use for age restriction contents. You can then tap on App Store Media, Web and Games option and further go ahead and change your preferences in web content and choose your age restriction content accordingly depending on your preference. And just in case if you cannot change your app settings, then it simply could be due to screen time passcode. So go ahead and make sure that you know your screen time passcode, as without it, you will not be able to modify these restrictions. So this was about how you can change your age restriction on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.